Hello, everybody. I'm Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I'm doing my first witchy unboxing for December, and it is from SugarMuses. So I don't know if it's the SugarMuses Deluxe or Midnight Muses for December until I open it. So I can't believe it is December. I mean, I say that every month. The months keep going by so quickly. And I'm still in my bedroom videoing because my heater is still not in my witchy shed yet. So hopefully this week that'll be installed so I can do my videos out there before everything freezes. Everything's taking forever. Okay. This is SugarMuses for December. As always, she changes everything up every month to match. Look how pretty this one is. Just look how gorgeous this is here. All right, so the theme for December is the spirits of Yule. The Winter Witch's Cabinet is the theme for, and you can see there's like a house in the paper, which is cottage. Isn't that cute? And our beautiful art that like blends so nicely with that paperwork. And this is beautiful as well. Isn't that really pretty? And then the spirit of Yule. That matches. I don't know how she does it so beautiful. The spirit of Yule, see that? It's right there and on the card. And in the paperwork is the same image of the house. Very, very pretty. And then, of course, the beautiful paper again. And we have a pretty sticker. And this is a cute little envelope. Aw, squirrels. Looks like a bunny and a deer. And mine says transform, emerge with beauty and grace from your cocoon. So our oracle card. Okay. Oh, the beautiful paper. Ooh, look how pretty everything is in here. I just gotta show you this before. Isn't like everything's got a perfect little spot? To me, that is amazing. You hate to even touch it. Okay. So exciting. Okay, so the first right on top we have, I believe it says Sorrento, a European delight, double chocolate European mocha mix. A nice little fun drink. So we got that. Nice. Our next item is the winter solstice with ritual salts, winter spices, citrus, and essential oils. Pretty label, green paper, packaging matches so nice. Then we have, oh cute, that's what I have in mine. Pine cones, cute little bag of pine cones. And then we have a beautiful black sachet tied in a perfect bow. Everything's so pretty. Aw, I got an acorn, a green aventurine. I almost dropped it. Where'd you go, my little guy? I did drop it, but look, landed on, thank goodness, not the wood floor. Green aventurine acorn. So cute. In my little sachet. Then we have a little bag of black leaves. Like 4 or 5 different sizes. Then we have, where do I grab? And I want to, like, this thing in here is beautiful. All right, let me see. I'm trying to grab it where I don't destroy anything. All right. So right in here, we have 2 beeswax candles. 2 babies, 2 little guys. Smell good. We have, let me grab over here because I have to grab it because it's like perfect right there. Oh, wow. This pretty tree. It looks like it could be an evergreen pine in a black and white fabric tied in a bow, burlap string. Very pretty. Nice thing for an altar. Nice. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. So cute. Nice. And then we have on the side here our bubble. And in our bubble we have dark forest perfume oils. Very beautiful. In a green bottle. And our beautiful artwork on the label as well. And then on the side we have dark forest incense sticks. Right there. And then we have this beautiful item that I can see. Okay. Look at this beautiful wooden, here we go. It's got like a big line here. So this looks like you can put like your card standing up. This looks like it maybe you can hold a tarot deck. Maybe some crystals over here. And in here we have this triple moon. But I think this opens because there's something in here. Yes, there is. This opens. And in here, there is sandalwood blend of herbs. Big bag. Also, we have this string lights. This says, used to decorate your... Oh, it's for our mini tree. So it's to decorate our little tree here. That's really cute. So we can decorate our little Yule tree. That is really cute. Let's see, you gotta pull the tag out for it to start lighting. So let's do that. Let me see the colors. So we're gonna decorate our tree with white lights. Very, very cute. That's awesome. Very cool. And this looks like it's a tarot hole. So let's find out what this beautiful piece is to begin with. All right. Okay, contents. Dark forest incense sticks. What's this baby? Winter solstice ritual salts. The sandalwood botanical blend. Dark forest perfume oil. The hand-rolled green beeswax candles, the green aventurine acorn, the mini Yule tree, dried pine cones and the black leaves, string of lights, handmade moon phase wooden organizer. Beautiful. I've never seen anything so gorgeous like this before. And then it says, of course, the hot chocolate, the intuitively drawn oracle, and our beautiful art. Okay. This month we celebrate Yule, which falls on December 21st, the longest night of the year, this winter time. Sabbath is also known as the winter solstice. It is regarded as a time of reflection, transformation, and hope, as well as time to recognize and show gratitude for our blessings. It is a good time for rituals and other workings connected to rebirth, renewal, and new beginnings. And then it goes, this month's in the box. You can use them the way they are listed or any way you choose. Love and Magic, Christy and Dina. Absolutely beautiful. And then ideas for decorating your tree. She has here, decorate with the pine cones and with glue and glitter, symbols of the fairies. Place them on the Yule tree. Glue the caps onto the acorns and attach with a string to hang on the Yule tree. Hang little bells on the tree to call on the spirits and fairies. Hang 6 spoked snowflakes on the branches of the tree, which is runes. Hang the sun, moon, star, holly, king, fairy, or fruit decorations, string popcorn, cranberries, and hang them on the Yule tree as well. Or outdoor for a treat for the birds. Okay, so dark forest, incense sticks before any spell or work. You can use this to create a sacred space that is cleansed of stagnant energy. Or you make sure you're using a fire-safe tray. Winter solstice ritual salts can be used in purification spells and baths. Placed on your altar. Circles. Contains Dead Sea salt, dried clove, citrus, and evergreen. Sandalwood blend. Removing negativity, increasing opportunities, bring success and promote love. Great for meditation and trance work. Dark forest perfume oil. Organic blends of fig and cardamom with juniper berry and ivy. You know it yourself. Candles, spell items, altar tools. Hand rolled beeswax candles. To light for you on the winter solstice. Hold gratitude and peace in your heart. Green aventurine acorn. Acorn symbolizes fertility, growth, fresh starts, and potential. The acorn is a small and assuming seed that holds within it potential for a great growth and prosperity. Of course, it says green quartz. Healing transmutes negativity, energy, and positive prosperity and creativity. Of course, the mini Yule tree. Dried pine cones and black leaves. You can use these to decorate your tree or add other items that have meaning to you. This is going to be really cute with the black leaves and the acorns on the tree. Of course, the mini string lights. This gorgeous baby, moon phase wooden organizers. This handmade box can be used to store your tarot and oracle cards, botanicals, gemstones, and other magical items. The top features a holder where you can place art prints and tarot cards. Like so. This thing is absolutely awesome. I love this. You can use this for anything, and it's absolutely stunning. I wonder where I'm going to put it. I love it. I'm going to have this for years and years to come. Then, of course, the hot chocolate, which is somewhere over here. I lost it. I lost it already. No, it's right here. Our delicious hot cocoa, which is good for grounding yourself. Magical properties of chocolate, love, romance, grounding, and prosperity. Our beautiful art, as always. And then this is from Whispering Woods Oracle Deck. Guys, as always, ending the year with a beautiful, beautiful box from SugarMuses Deluxe. Got a whole new year coming. Can't wait to see what beauty lies and enchanting items we'll get. So what do you guys think of December's SugarMuses Deluxe? What's your favorite item, if you can pick? I'll leave the information down below. Thank you guys for watching. Blessings.